Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me today and they couldn't get their text to change um, case. Well, if you don't have it selected, you can't even change the case. It won't even bring up this pop-out window. So that's what I'm hoping that's what they were doing wrong. If you're not checked on a text, they said I can't change the case. Well, because you're not on the text. And you could just do part of the text and change the case if you just wanted to do this one line. We'll just select it all. And a shortcut for that is the Shift F3 key, and then you can make them all uppercase. And I just thought, since that's such a short video, I'd add another couple of Shift key notes to it. If you select all these and you hit E, it aligns them horizontally, but it doesn't align them equally. So, but you can hold down the Shift key and hit the E again, and then it'll evenly space them out. Same thing on here. We'll hit C as in cat, and then we're going to hit Shift C, and it will equal them distance apart. And of course, those are always in your align and distribute, but the shift part's not in there, just your E and your C. So the E is horizontally and the C is vertically. And then when you shift it, you can get them more so spaced out. So Control or just Shift C and then C. So either way you do it, but you shift it and it'll make them spaced out equally. Anyway, hope that helps.